Alright guys, I got another update video for you. I got the cage in. We just used 2 bars, a dash bar and a seat bar. But on the seat bar, we took some C-channel and just put it on the side for a big long plate, and it kind of goes across 2 doors. We did that on both sides. Here's the other one. I got my seat in. That's just bolted down through the floor. And a couple videos back, you've seen the big rust hole that was on this car. Well, I patched it up. It's bolted through the floor right there, covering up the big hole. We left most of it open right there because it's just going to get cut out for the tranny tunnel anyways. I also got in my battery box right down there, and my tranny cooler, which is just that black box. I finished creasing this side of the car. You can see that right here. On here, I've just finished creasing it on this second body line, and it was already creased up there. And how that creased the rest of the way was because I welded the doors and I folded this under, which made it stiffer. Because before, since this car is so rusty, as you can see here, you would hit it with a hammer up here and it would just recoil back at you because it had nothing to impact, I guess you could say. And like I just mentioned, I welded the doors. I got both the passenger doors done. And I creased the doors also. Fold the top of it over, right here's the top of the door. You just fold that over and pound the inner panel of the door under it, and then crease the top of it, which you can see what I did right here. Go to the other side. This way is easier because my welder's in the way. I added another plate on the trunk, which is right there. Since I had one about right there on the other side, I just put it on the other side over here too. A couple of videos back, and even the last video, you could see a rust hole that was right here. There's actually still some of it showing. We started patching that up with a big plate, welded on the top and bottom, and some on the side. What we're going to do is, when we're done welding this for sure, because I'm still going to weld on the bottom side of it for sure, we're going to cut it off about right here, and then fold it over, and then weld it up in there and on the speaker deck, or try to anyways. That's about it. That's been done since the last update video. So stay tuned. The next thing that's going to be done is these 2 doors being welded, this being folded over, creasing on this side, finished up, and then it's going to be ready for the engine and all that type of stuff. So stay tuned guys, more videos on the way.